Hi everyone, I'm Bridie. I'm the accommodation manager here at Wimbledon School of English. Today I'm going to show you around our summer residence called Surbiton. We're going to hop on the train at Wimbledon and I'll take you there. Come with me. We're now at Wimbledon station where we will go on one train and one stop, which is a very short distance to Surbiton. So we've just arrived at Surbiton station and now we're going to walk to the campus, which is just a 15-minute walk. Surbiton is lovely and I'll show you the views on the way. Let's go. As you can see, in the town centre at Surbiton, you've got everything that you would possibly need. You've got your local supermarkets, you've got your local stores, nice restaurants, coffee shops. There's always something to be doing in Surbiton. So as you can see, the campus is huge. And in the summer, you've also got other university students. So you've got a massive mix of cultures, as well as British people too, where you can practice your English. So we're now in the corridor at Surbiton. The other rooms next door to your room will have other students in it as well from Wimbledon School of English. So there's always somebody to travel to and from the school with. In your room, you'll have a double wardrobe, a double bed, a desk where you can study, and an ensuite bathroom. I'll show you the room. It's a perfect size for a few weeks of studying, and you've got plenty of storage so you can bring all your clothes with you. This is your bathroom, which is a private ensuite just for you, so you can have your own privacy. So you've got your own desk to study and all the rooms are very bright and airy, and you've also got a window so it feels really nice and light. So there's a huge kitchen which comes with all the appliances that you will need, and it comes with everything so you don't need to bring anything. We also have a dining room and living room where you can just hang out in the evenings, you can cook your dinner, you can eat together, whatever you want to do. Okay, so now I've shown you around the campus, I'm going to head back to school. It's either a 15-minute walk or just a 5-minute bus and then just one train back. Super easy. You also have the in-post lockers, so if you want to receive or send a parcel, it's super easy here from Surbiton. As you can see, it's a huge campus. We have laundry rooms, which are super close to your block. We also have a basketball court where you can hang out with your friends. Plenty of benches to have picnics in the summer, and I don't think you can ever be bored on this campus. We've now returned to the school after visiting Surbiton. As you can see, it is a very lovely place and really easy to get to, so I hope to see you all there soon. This is my office in the school and my door is always open if you need anything.